Clearing your browser data can help protect your device from security flaws and websites that track your browsing. To do so, follow these steps. From any home screen, swipe up to display all apps. Find and choose the Internet icon. Choose the list icon. Choose Settings. Scroll down the right menu and choose Personal Browsing Data. Choose Delete Browsing Data. To delete the browser history, choose Browsing History. To delete the form and search history, choose Form and Search History. To delete the cookies, choose Cookies and Site Data. To delete the cache, choose Cached Images and Files. Choose Delete Data. Choose Delete. The browser history, cache, and cookies are deleted. We recommend that you clear your browser data periodically. Note, you may have to re-enter any login information you had previously saved.